I've got a really simple tutorial for you today. I'm going to show you how to make a version of a logo with a transparent background. This allows you to add the logo to any other photo or video and is perfect for making YouTube thumbnails or posters. To do this, we need to remove the background of the existing logo and save the file as a PNG. A PNG file is the type of file we need to make a transparent background. It's really simple to do, so let's jump into Photoshop and get started.
So first of all, let's open up the logo in Photoshop. Now we have to isolate the logo from the background. There's a few ways to do this, but I'll show you a super easy way here which works for most logos. So first of all, we're going to select the Magic Wand tool and then we're going to select the background. Now, that will make a selection of the background, but what we actually want is to select the logo. So we're going to go up to the Select in the File menu and then click Inverse. Now we have the actual logo selected. Now if we click the Layer Mask button down at the bottom right, this will remove the background from the logo. At this point, you could go ahead and change the background in Photoshop to any colour you wanted. You do this by adding a new layer, and if you click G, which is the shortcut for the Paint Bucket tool, select a colour and then click. Then move the layer down below the logo and you can change that colour to whatever you want, whether it's green, pink, whatever. But we're not looking to change the colour within Photoshop, we're looking to have a transparent version of the logo. So if we delete what we just did, all we have to do now is save the file as a PNG. So go up to File, Export, and then quick export as PNG. And we want to save this as whatever the name is, in this case it's Steady Hand Logo Transparent. Now that's us got a logo with a transparent background, and if we open up another photo in Photoshop, we'll be able to drag this in and move it around and it'll fit nicely into the photo. It will also work in any other application you use, not just Photoshop. For instance, here's a photo I took of a lighthouse which I have in Canva. I've uploaded the logo to there, and when I drag it in, it merges perfectly with the existing photo.
So that's all there is to making a logo background transparent. If you're after more tutorials like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.